If you're getting the "a problem repeatedly occurred" error in Safari on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick fixes to solve Safari not loading websites properly on iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap on Safari. The first thing you should try is turning off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This setting improves privacy, but sometimes it can block certain websites from loading correctly. Turn it off temporarily and then try opening the website again. If the site still isn't working, go back and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Then select Close All Tabs and clear everything. This helps remove corrupted Safari cache and browsing data that may be causing the issue. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced. Make sure Block All Cookies is turned off. If this option is enabled, some websites may fail to load properly in Safari. If you don't see On Advanced, don't worry. In some iOS versions, this setting appears directly on the main Safari settings page, or may not be shown at all, depending on your device. Next, again go to Advanced. Tap on Experimental Features. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Reset All to Defaults. This resets experimental Safari settings that may be causing Safari browser problems on your iPhone. Once done, completely close Safari and open it again. Now try visiting the website and the error should be fixed. If this video helped you fix Safari not working on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.